This is a modern car. Inside this vehicle is a powerful engine that generates the energy needed to move it.
Under the hood, we can see the engine installed inside the car. This engine converts fuel into mechanical power. To understand how it works, we can look inside the engine and observe its internal components.
When the car is started, the starter motor activates first. It begins the engine's initial rotation.
Starter motor turns the crankshaft. This rotating shaft drives the movement of internal engine parts. As the crankshaft rotates, pistons move up and down inside the cylinders. This motion is the foundation of engine operation. When intake valves open, fresh air enters the cylinder. This air is required for fuel combustion. At the right moment, the spark plug ignites the compressed mixture, starting the power-producing explosion.
The explosion forces the piston downward. This movement is called the power stroke, and it produces usable engine power. The downward motion of the piston turns the crankshaft. This converts linear motion into rotational motion. After combustion, exhaust valves open and allow burned gases to exit the cylinder.
The piston moves upward again, pushing exhaust gases out. This is known as the exhaust stroke.
These 4 steps repeat continuously. Together, they form the 4-stroke engine cycle that powers the car.
In a real engine, multiple cylinders work together. Each piston fires at a different time to produce smooth, continuous power.
The camshaft controls valve timing. It ensures valves open and close at exactly the right moment.
Engine power is transferred through the crankshaft to the flywheel and then sent toward the transmission. The transmission sends power through the drive shaft, which turns the wheels and moves the car.
At idle, the engine runs smoothly. All components operate in perfect coordination.
As power reaches the wheels, the car begins to move forward. This is how a car engine starts, operates, and delivers power to move the vehicle.